Gosh, right now the fence is caving in, so we're supposed to have some really heavy rains tomorrow. Look at the size of this sinkhole in University City. So this is what you've been seeing all over the news lately. This trail right here is actually a real popular bike path that I ride. Actually, if you look here, it comes down and that thing is getting huge. Don't know if you can see that. That's the 52 freeway heading west there. Gosh, right now the fence is caving in, so we're supposed to have some really heavy rains tomorrow. So starting over here, I'd say that's probably about a, gosh, what's that, about 50 or 60 feet wide? And I have a feeling this sinkhole is going to get bigger and bigger. The city says it'll take about $2 million to get this fixed. Part of living in San Diego is that, you know, the pipes are really old. So homes in this area were built, you know, around the 60s and up. So if you are looking to live in University City or, you know, the surrounding areas, this is definitely an older community. This happens to be a really fun mountain bike or hiking trail. So right up here is Stanley Park School, and this trail comes down, goes through these really cool windies. You drop down these logs, cross over the street, and that goes right into San Clemente Canyon, and my house is right up that hill there. So anyway, city says it'll take a while to get this fixed. What do you think? Do you think they should wait and let the problem keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger? That house is probably 30 feet from where this sinkhole is. The reason that's happening is that, again, the pipes are old and deteriorating, and the city has done nothing. I think it's been almost 2 years since this started. I remember seeing the hole probably more than 2 years ago. It was just real small, and then it got bigger and bigger and bigger. And now this is what they've got. So what do you think? Should the city take care of this right away, wait, and it costs more? Leave your comment.